If the control lock feature has been enabled, the control lock light will be illuminated. If a key is pressed on the control lock light will flash 3 times to alert you that the control is locked. To turn off the control lock, press and hold the options key that says Control Lock Hold 3 Sec. Hold your finger on the keypad over this section until the control lock light turns off. The control lock light may blink 3 times when trying to unlock the control. This is normal. If the dishwasher has a dedicated control lock button in the options sections of the control, hold your finger gently on the keypad in the designated area until the light turns off. Please subscribe to our channel. We upload videos every week to help you with your appliances. And please remember to always use your use and care guide.